Pennsylvania.
We got time for a couple more games here. And this next game is for Jill. You're going to sit here at the edge of the seat here. John, Adam, and Gretchen. This is a game called Typewriter. So what's going to happen is Jill is going to improvise her next bestseller. And so what I need, first of all, is any genre of literature.
Spaghetti! Horror!
Self-help!
You know what? I heard sci-fi and I heard Nancy Drew. I want to see if we can do a Nancy Drew sci-fi.
Sure!
Yay! Nancy Drew set on against a sci-fi background. And now let's have a title for the book. Just about anything.
Judy Moody!
The Hardy Boys go to the moon.
Let's just go with Judy Moody.
Judy Moody!
Judy Moody, the sci-fi Nancy Drew mystery.
Yes.
Yes?
Absolutely.
Yes. So Jill is going to start typing it, and we're going to see it come to life behind her with Adam, Gretchen, and John. Take it away.
Chapter 1. Nancy and her plump but lovable friend Bess woke up and went to the shuttle bay doors.
Do you see it?
I see it.
It's there in the distance. We can make it home.
She said.
Golly gosh, I can't wait to get home. We've been out here for so long.
So long.
What the girls noticed next was that the moon was growing ever closer.
Oh my God, the moon's getting so close.
It's so big and so hairy. It's one of the ugliest moons I believe I have ever seen. Maybe we won't get home after all.
They checked the instrument panel, and what they saw alarmed them.
Look at there.
The alarm is going off.
It's making a real loud noise.
Oh my God, it sounds like my Nana's phone. Oh my God, there it is again.
That alarm meant only one thing. An approaching planet, which the girls already knew.
I wonder when it was going to show up.
Why are they all so hairy? Just terrifying. I think that's that nasty Pluto that was excommunicated.
You ain't no planet. You get away from our station.
Get away!
Stop messing around.
Revenge!
Chapter 2. At the abandoned moon mine, deep inside the moon's surface, a small moon gnome was conversing with his fiddle. Said the fiddle.
My mother always told me when your fiddle starts talking, you've got problems.
My ears really thin up here.
Yeah. Helium, that's why we sound like this.
Just then, the moon gnome and the fiddle saw the giant eye of Nancy in their spectrometer.
Oh. The giant eye of Nancy.
It is the God that we have been praying to all these years.
It's true. The moon gnomes worship Nancy Drew and thought of her as a god. They quickly prepared an offering to their god Nancy Drew. Chapter 3. The moon felt the rumblings deep inside its core, and it spoke to Nancy and her plump and lovable friend Bess.
Nancy! You're tickling my innards!
Said the moon.
It's the only way to make you less scary, Moon.
I know that you came here to conquer the universe and didn't know that I was a sentient planet.
That was true about Nancy. She had no way to verify sentience. did know was the mystery of the gnomes inside. So Nancy summed up the mystery thusly.
Gnomes inside of the non-sentient hairy moon like to converse with fiddles because of the strange mushrooms they consume on the surface.
Obviously.
And scene! Let's give it a hand. That will be on Kindle tomorrow.